We are going to make some color goop from the Sandbox Scientist book. And the color goop will go into a Ziploc bag, which means that your kiddo can play with it inside. But if you don't want to put it in the Ziploc bag, then you can have them play with it outside on a nice day because it can get kind of messy. So what you'll need is a container that you don't care about because we're going to be putting paint in it, with 2 cups of water, some cornstarch, some paint, and Natalie chose
green, pink.
Pink. And we're gonna be fancy and put some green glitter in there. And then the Ziploc bag to put it in. So what you do is you add 2 cups of water to your container, and then you slowly add cornstarch and mix it in until the consistency is like mustard, it says. Whoa, let me see your spoon. And then after you get that consistency,
I like stirring.
go ahead and stir. After you get that consistency, you mix in the paint. And what you can do is make different kinds with the primary colors. And when you put a few different colors in each bag, then the kids can see how each of the colors mix to make secondary colors from primary colors. And different things like that. Plus, it's a fun texture. It's supposed to be super squishy and exciting. Can I see it real quick? And then need some more cornstarch. Still pretty liquidy. Let me see it. Hold on. Starting to get some different consistency going on in here. Bottom's getting harder to stir. Because the cornstarch is thickening the water. That's what turns it into goop.
Oh, that's good.
That's good. Yep, that's what we want it to do. This is a long process. We'll keep adding our cornstarch. Okay, after lots and lots of stirring and running out of cornstarch, we improvised and used flour to thicken it up. And we have some goop. So now we gotta put some glitter and some color in it. Let's open it up.
Yep.
Okay, go ahead and pour some in. That looks good. And then we gotta put some pink in there. Shake it up. Okay, squirt it. All right.
Pink.
We're ready?
Yep.
I'm gonna mix it in. Pull my sleeve.
Hey, goop. Put it in the bag.
Gotta mix in the color first. After you get the color all mixed in and your glitter all mixed in, you're gonna put it in to a gallon Ziploc bag. Yes, so that you can squish it.
Yep. Squish, 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 squish.
There's our pink and slightly green glittery color goop. All right. You ready to put it in the bag?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
This is going to be super exciting. Let's push around. Okay.
Okay, here we go. I'm nervous. All right. There goes the spoon. Goop. Okay, ready?
Hey, Goop.
Looks like bubble gum.
Yeah, squishy. Squish, squish, squish.
Now we gotta be careful not to poke a hole in the bag, because otherwise that'll be a disaster.
Yeah, and then we have to, and then we have to do a different bag.
Yep.
Squishing. I'm squishing
All
it.
right. Here, let me close it up for you.
So I can squish even more.
Mm-hmm. We'll take the air out so that nothing crazy happens.
I'm going to show that.
Now we've got a bag of color goop. Squishy fun.
Whee!